You ever heard of a hyperdoc? A hyperdoc is a term used to describe a Google Doc that contains an innovative lessons for students. A 21st century worksheet, but much better. With one shortened link, students can access lessons that contain instructions, links, tasks, and many clever ways to get kids thinking. Focusing on creative opportunities for choice, exploration, and ways for kids to apply their knowledge is key to creating a truly innovative hyperdoc. What I have here is an example of a 6th grade language arts hyperdoc. I'm not going to show you the whole thing, just the highlights. But if you like it, you can click on the whole document in my useful links part of my website. The key to any hyperdoc is explicit instructions, which allows the students to move freely within the confines of the doc and the teacher to be available should trouble start brewing. Each hyperdoc will be shared with each student. Now, the first couple pages are instructions of what the student is about to embark. The third page is identifying what the students are to look for as they work on their project. In this case, it's a pencil at the top of the left-hand corner, identifying that there will be an assignment attached to it. As we go through the doc, we find that there's an iMovie trailer on slide 6 that allows the students to watch it, a quick movie trailer, which will get them excited about their project. After they click on the video, they are to go to slide 7, which has them reflect on what they just watched. One of the best parts of a hyperdoc is that our students led to discoveries. In slides 15 through 18, we have extensions. I'll take you through them. This extension talks about a genetic disease. Kids are going to list the symptoms from the story. This one, they watch a short video and they talk about the difficulties of raising a child with this disease. This extension talks about signs of learning disabilities that we see in the novel. And lastly, this extension talks about behavior. But lastly, is slide 19. Finally, students are allowed to identify with technology that they can relate to. They're to write a 140 character summarization of their story. So if you're thinking about flipping your classroom, a hyperdoc is just the beginning.